Alright guys, I want to show you the proper leg position for banging gears with a manual transmission, and people get this wrong quite a bit and they end up burning up their clutch at high RPM. So the first thing you need to realize is that when you're learning to drive in the city, you may sit a lot closer to the pedals than if you weren't learning to drive in the city. And this is to have that really good clutch control in traffic, whether you keep your heel on the ground or you drag your heel like me, you pivot like me. You're usually going to end up sitting very close to the steering wheel as you learn, okay? Now the problem is, if you want to bang gears, if you want to shift fast at high RPM and you're sitting too close to the pedals, what happens is as you come off the pedal quickly, your legs get jammed up, like in your body at the steering wheel. You really can't come off the pedal very quickly. So what you want to do is you want to move the seat back just enough that you're hitting your bite point and you're able to fully let out the clutch fast enough without binding yourself up by hitting your leg on the steering wheel or, against your body. Some of you are very tall. You might be like moving your leg up against the door panel or something like that. So you move your seat back that you're just hitting the bite point and coming out. Bang, bang, bang. All right. As you move the seat closer, I'm going to move it real tight up close, okay? So real tight up close. I'm scrunched up in there, and it's a lot harder for me to fully release the clutch because I'm just not able to get that leg movement down, okay? I'm always going to be on the clutch a little bit before I can take it off. If I move it, let's move it real back. If I move it back, right, I can really get off of it a lot quicker. So that is the biggest mistake new stick shift users make when learning to drive fast with their manual transmission, is they're sitting too close. They end up being slow on their clutch release, not fully releasing the clutch, and they end up burning up their clutch. The second one is you learned this from the other videos, but you want to move your hand from the steering wheel to the shifter before you do anything with the clutch. Hand goes from the steering wheel, shifter, you clutch in, you bang your gear, clutch out, and then back to the steering wheel. If you clutch in and then move your hand to the shifter, that's too late. You're being slow on your shift. So those are the two most important things when you're learning how to shift fast.